Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to enable or update Android System WebView so your apps run smoother without redirecting to a browser. First, open the Google Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, navigate to your search engine and type Android System WebView. And tap the app made by Google LLC and simply tap install. If you already have it installed, then check if you see an update button. If yes, tap update. If you see an enable button, tap enable. And if it already says open, you are good to go. And yes, here it is. Now check if it's working. If still not working, then go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and find Android System WebView. And make sure it's not disabled or turned off. If you are on Android 10 or later, WebView might be handled by Chrome. To switch it, go to settings, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and go to developer options. And there, scroll to WebView implementation and select Android System WebView. And yes, if you cannot see your developer options, to unlock it, go to the About phone and tap Build Number option 7 times. And yes, that's it. Your apps should now open web content smoothly inside the application. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.